In the heart of Hubei Province, China, lies a breathtaking natural wonder, Enshi Grand Canyon. Often referred to as the Grand Canyon of China, this place offers extraordinary landscapes with towering cliffs, lush valleys, and mesmerizing waterfalls. Beyond its geological beauty, Enshi Grand Canyon features various trekking trails that allow visitors to experience nature from different perspectives. The suspension bridge spanning the cliffs provides both a thrilling experience and breathtaking views. Enshi Grand Canyon is not only a stunning natural marvel, but also a silent witness to millions of years of geological history. If you're looking for an unforgettable adventure in China, this destination should be on your travel